हाफ एन आवर लेटर मेरी ऑफकोर्स आधे से ज़्यादा पूरा स्टोरेज खाली करके आई एम हियर अगेन। पता नहीं कैसे ख़त्म हो जाती है भाई, बार बार कैसे ख़त्म हो सकती है। ओके, सो इफ़ यू नो आई डू नॉट वेयर like antique pieces of jewelry. It's not that I don't like it, but then I think I don't invest in it because वो मेरे इतने यूज़ नहीं होते हैं. I am a very minimalist in jewelry, and it's not that I don't like it. I really love ऐसे big danglers, and I think I'm gonna take one of them. पर अभी just मुझे याद आया, and these are also like ऐसे काम चलाऊ. I was gifted this by someone. It's again not my choice, not something I wear, but I think this look demands this, so I'm gonna wear it. I am definitely gonna invest in like good big pieces because छोटे वाले तो still I have some of them, but then लंबे वाले and like big chunky jewelry, I just want like one or two pair of it, so I'm gonna go and get that. मेरे मुंह पे आ रही है. ओके, फॉर दी हेयर आई थिंक वी हैव टू ऐसे खोल के ही रखने होंगे, बट राइट नाउ वी गोना जस्ट मेक अ बन. अभी मेरे को आधे में ही वाइब आने लग गई था, क्रेजी वाली. आई होप मेरी आवाज़ आ रही हो गाइस. माई फेस तो मैं ऐसे वॉश कर रही हूँ वापस से एंड टोन्ड इट अप अगेन बिफोर स्टार्टिंग द मेकअप. I think I'm not a huge person on makeup. I love the artistic thing in makeup, but my face is like almost gone when I'm on the venue. जब मैं से occasionally जाती भी हूँ, but yeah, I think I've taken this year especially, I've taken skincare a little more seriously, and I think पहले मुझे ऐसा लगता था ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं होता है, you know, it's not gonna work, it's just people say it, but I think this actually works. Your skin is very gentle, especially mine is, so definitely for sure that's what I've got to know about. And I'm gonna definitely just care a little more. I used to not care. I used to do these basic things, just washing it once in the whole day, and that's especially if you are going out, if you're coming and doing anything on your face, just make sure to wash it any time before or after. और मैंने बिल्कुल माइक के साथ मुंह धो लिया है, अब मुझे नहीं पता आवाज़ आ रही है या नहीं. Done with the face wash. Let's go for the cream. Although I'm very high on sunscreen, but अब मेरे पास moisturizer आ गया है, which is very good. I use this Dot and Keys moisturizer. Although I used to before use aloe vera gel, and that actually worked. मतलब मैं aloe vera gel use करती थी as moisturizer, and then I used to layer it up with sunscreen. After that, let's go with the primer. Do you all remember our primer phase? I had my primer phase where I just used to apply primer for my base because I thought कि मेरी स्किन बहुत ही ऐसे बहुत स्मूथ हो जाती है, पोज आपके बहुत क्लोज अप हो जाते हैं, तो मुझे प्राइमर बहुत अच्छा लगता था पहले. बट अब तो प्राइमर आई थिंक मैं तो डेफिनेटली नहीं लगाती हूँ यूजुअली, बट लेटली आई ऑल्सो स्टार्टेड अगैन. आई डोंट नो व्हाई, especially like when I skip ऐसे sunscreen वगैरह, तो I use a primer. I don't know if that's making sense, but I do that, so I just told you about it. Also, like, I really don't know how to do my under eye makeup because like this is like my bone structure, right? So I really don't know ऐसे pigmentation हटाते कैसे. मैं तो बहुत ही ज़्यादा अमेज हो जाती हूँ when people do it so nicely. Let's go for the base. I don't usually apply that much of it. But we're gonna use this Fit Me Matte Plus Boreless foundation. Um, I'm also gonna use this T-Fit concealer palette, whatever you say. Let's see if we can do our under eyes. It's not that I cannot do it, but and after a point of time it starts being grey, and that's not what I like. I also use this mascara. This is like very good. I use this usually. खत्म हो गई भाई मेरी storage. Can you see a difference? Let me know. I think yes, I can see a difference. Probably on camera तो definitely I can see, but यहाँ इतना ज़्यादा मुझे oh, I'm sorry. Then yes, this K Beauty's banana powder that we use. I genuinely like powders. मैं थिंक कि मेरा मेकअप थोड़ा ठीक ठाक दिख सकता है, but not the journey where I'm getting it through. But we're done with this. We're gonna go for a little bit of this foundation. I applied it. Where did it go? Not a lot, just as much as it's possible to get. All of my brushes are like gone. मतलब मैंने इसे धोने के लिए रख रखे हैं, तो I'm using this brush that I have. I don't even know what is it for. I think you will definitely see a difference, but it's not that major of it. See. Yes. Let's use this Maybelline's eraser. I love this. I usually use it under my eyes for highlighting it. Although I should not use it if I'm not like that good at it, क्योंकि फिर वो ग्रेनेस और हाईलाइट हो जाती है. oh. मुझे तो लग रहा है मेरा मेकअप सारा शिफ्ट हो गया. I usually use my hands because वो थोड़ा convenient हो जाता है, मतलब any time anywhere हो जाता है. तो of course we're gonna do cold kajal look because like we are doing a nice Punjabi look, so that's what it should look like. Use a blue kajal as well. We're gonna use that too. Right, like just try once. Sorry, that was a technical error, but yeah. Let's go with this. We're gonna do this. मुझे पता नहीं है, पर मैंने इतना कुछ डिलीट कर दिया है that I don't even know what I have lost. Okay, I think I'm done with my eyes. I'm just gonna comb my brows, my lashes. I think we're done with the eyes. I'm just also looking. Go for like a nude lip that is more on the. Should I do blush or should I go with like, how do you get it? Like this is nice too. Like that's what I'm thinking right now. But should I go with it or not? Let's do a peak red blush on the temples. Yes, I think this is pretty much enough. मेरे हाँ चल रहा है, अभी गाने चल रहे हैं मेरे. Getting my vision. Are you getting it? I don't even know if we are good at eyes or not. Contemplating. No, I like it. I love it. Lips. I used to not like doing lip liners, but abhi again, I think the trends make you love a lot of things. But I'm not usually a person that falls in the trend. But this one is nice. This is pretty nice. I started liking the lip liners a lot. This really gives you a good milky effect.